Hello, my name is Angchani, and today I'm going to present you a building which named Tjibaou Cultural Center and is finished constructed in the year of 1998 and designed by Tjibaou. The building is actually named after Jean-Marie Tjibaou, the leader of independence movement of the Kana people. So, how has the Industrial Revolution influenced the building? The biggest impact was the mass production of steel in large quantities, where it became an economically plausible building material. So steel expanded the structural capabilities of existing material and create new ones. It also allowed bigger and lighter structure. So for this building, which is the cultural center, steel plays a very important role because it is used as connectors for the wooden cases, as you can see in the pictures on the right. So it holds the building upright. The wall of cases comprises of two rings, which creating a double skin system consists of vertical columns and also horizontal and diagonal steel bracing. And then the main material for this cultural center are mostly prefabricated, which are steel, of course, glass panels for the interior, and then cases made of African Iroko wood for the exterior. The reason why African Iroko wood was used because it is durable and mostly resistant to the attack by insects, fungi, and mold. All the cases were prefabbed in France and assembled on site. You can see the picture right here. The man is holding the cases, which are all prefabricated in France, and then the construction is going on behind here. And mostly all the materials were prefabricated and only to assemble on site. And this one is the roof of the center. But what is the character of special features of the building using prefab method and repetitive style like this cultural center? The architect's idea actually came from the traditional huts of the native Kana civilization. You can see on the picture on the left, this is the traditional huts I mentioned. So it has a very repetitive use of wood for the interior, as you can see at the picture right here. The wood is very important for the hut because it is mainly used for the structure. And then, so I can conclude that this architect Renzo Piano is actually inspired by the tradition and also formed the building by modern technology. The next special features of the building is the double skin system, which acts as the air ventilation system. With the use of prefabricated material like the wooden cases, as you can see the picture right here, it forms outer shell and inner skin, creating a double skin system. So the outer shell encourages the desired convection through its orientation and spacing of the wooden cladding. So you can see the wooden cladding, it has very little open spaces but a lot in large quantities so that air ventilation is good. And for the inner skin, is a series of horizontal louvers at the base and below the roof. It's here and here. So the below ones are fixed open to maintain pressure balance, and the lower louvers are controlled for ventilation. So in overall, the prefabricated materials play a very important role in this building, and it helps this building in terms of air ventilation and structure. I think that's all for my presentation, and thank you for listening.